Hey everybody, AJ Morris here again, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Canva, specifically how to create a YouTube thumbnail or title slide. Something that you can look good in your YouTube videos and have it look, professional. So there's a couple of options here you can do, and the first thing I would always recommend people to do is just type in YouTube and find a thumbnail. A YouTube thumbnail is going to be 1280 by 720 pixels, so YouTube typically is going to be a 720p aspect ratio. And so if you want to go that direction, you've got a lot of options here, right? You can find something that matches your brand, that looks well. Maybe it goes well with the the topic that your video is. If it goes with your brand and all that, find something that works. And really, here's the great thing about it is all you have to do is click on one, and you've already got a design. And in some cases, you've got several options depending on what you've kind of selected. You can kind of come in here, change the colors, tweak the text, and you're good to go. On the other hand, I kind of go about it from a different way, and that's because I shoot in 1080p, so I shoot at a larger resolution, even on my screen. This screen is it's actually just a region of my screen of a very large monitor. But I shoot at 1920 by 1080, and that's the dimension that I need. So if I'm going to create one, I can either come down here into the search, click custom dimensions, or I can go over here to create a design, do custom dimensions, and select 1920 by 1080. Then I'll go ahead and click create design, and I'll open up this blank this blank presentation. I'm going to give it just a YouTube thumbnail, and I am good to start designing. Now, what I like about Canva is that even when I selected a custom 1920 by 1080 resolution, it's still coming up with options in here. So I can just kind of scroll through, find something I like, and when I do, I can then click on it and have at it. I can also go in and I could just do YouTube, and it's going to bring up all sorts of different YouTube graphics. So maybe I'm doing a game review or something, and I like this one, or maybe I'm doing a cup of coffee and I'm doing a talk about something coffee related. I can grab that, and when I put it in, it's going to resize it. Now here's something interesting. So I use this one of these thumbnails. I use this as an example, right? And I clicked it, and it was only coming in at the 720p resolution, but I am using the 1080p resolution, so I'm larger, and it still manages to apply something that they've already pre-built for you at a different resolution. So I really like that ability to kind of be able to find something I like and be able to use it. And in fact, this is the one I'm using for the Canva videos as a not as a thumbnail, but as a title slide to the video. So after the intro, you see this for a few seconds so you know what you're watching, and then we get into the video. So I'm using this one, and I actually didn't change any of the colors. I think I just changed this text, added a iThemes Presents type logo up at the top, and called it good because I think it met my needs and kind of gave some design aesthetics to the Canva series that I'm doing. So that's all you have to do to create a YouTube thumbnail. When you're ready to go, you just click the download button, download it as a ping. You'll see here I'm at the 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution, download it, throw it into whatever video tutorial screencast tool you're using. I happen to be using ScreenFlow, so this just gets added in into the video editor, and I am good to go. You can also upload it separately to YouTube when you're uploading your video to have it be that thumbnail if that's what you wanted as well. So that is it. That's how you can use Canva to create YouTube thumbnails or title slides. Thanks for watching, and stick around as we continue kind of a how-to series in Canva.